Well, this is going to be a memorable moment in the history of the DeraJaat off-road rally. We have Sahibzada Sultan, the Super Salma Marwat, and obviously Tushna Patel. Lights on, we go green, now red, race started. Sahibzada Sultan on the track, leading the team Sultan and welcomed by a huge number of spectators all across from Pakistan. This is going to be a huge event arranged by the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government, and now the track has been followed by the other racers. Now turn first, a huge number of public has come out to witness the historical moment of the DeraJaat off-road rally, and they must be applauding the district administration of the D.I. Han, especially the Deputy Commissioner D.I. Han, who worked tirelessly to make it possible. Such a historical moment, such a big moment, and such a magnificent view. इस तरह के नज़ारे पाकिस्तान, ख़ास तौर पर खैबर पख्तूनख्वा की आवाम सिर्फ टीवी स्क्रीनों पर ही देख सकते थे, लेकिन इस दफ़ा they are witnessing it in their homeland, in their hometown, Dera Ismail Khan, the backward of the backward area of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa of the southern districts. Sahibzada Sultan turning right, keeping his truck in a very good control. This is the overview of the drone. You can see it. मिट्टी का सीना चाक कर बहुत ही तेज़ी से आगे बढ़ता हुआ साहिबजादा सुल्तान के बहुत ही शानदार व्यू देते हुए धूल उड़ाती गाड़ी को लेफ्ट साइड टर्न करते हुए साहिबजादा सुल्तान आगे बढ़ते हैं, एंड नाउ ही इज गोइंग टू टर्न राइट अगेन. This is such a marvelous view. So you can enjoy it. The view from the drone is very amazing, mesmerizing view. The greenery in the background of the vehicle is so mesmerizing, so beautiful. Now he is on the way from the very far end, coming toward the camera side. Now turning right. यह है साहिबजादा सुल्तान. आप बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह अच्छी तरीके से गाड़ी को आगे ले जाते हैं, और ये बहुत ही शानदार टर्न. व्हाट अ व्यू, यू कैन सी इट. धूल उड़ाता हुआ आगे बढ़ते हैं साहिबजादा सुल्तान. और ये है साहिबजादा सुल्तान once again. The vehicles and the public gather around the track is very beautiful, very amazing. They have been experiencing it for the first time in the history of the DeraJaat and Dera Ismail Khan, obviously. Sahibzada Sultan leading the team Sultan, such a huge number of spectators around the track. वैसे अगर देखी जाए साहिबजादा सुल्तान पाकिस्तान के उन चंद नामवर रेसर्स में से हैं जो कि ऑफ रोड रेसिंग के लिए मशहूर हैं. This is such a lengthy track of 14 kilometers, and you can see a large number of public at every crossing point, at every turning point of the track. And now this is Sahibzada Sultan once again, turning right. Yes, he has reached the point and now turning right. और ये देख सकते हैं कि आप किस तरह बहुत अच्छी तरीके से ये धूल उड़ाते हुए बहुत ही मिसमराइजिंग व्यू देते हुए. ये है साहिबजादा सुल्तान, बहुत ही आला, सच अ गुड कंट्रोल ऑफ द ट्रक. साहिबजादा सुल्तान सहराओं का सीने चीरते हुए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, और ये धूल उड़ाती गाड़ी आपको बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से ये और ये एक ओवर टर्न पर पहुंच चुकी है. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल व्यू, व्हाट अ टर्न, ब्यूटीफुल टर्न. And now in the drone view you can see him how beautifully he is moving, he is running his truck with a very beautiful, with a very good control. This is Sahibzada Sultan once again in a closer view, and this is turn. What a turn, what a beautiful control of the truck. He is moving forward. This is Sahibzada Sultan once again, a renowned name after off-road racing in Pakistan. Such a good control of the truck. He is moving forward once again, Sahibzada Sultan. You can see it. This is the closer view. Yes, this is the closer view. He is turning right and left, turning around. Wow, what a jump that is. What a control. Now this is the turn. Such a good view, such a mesmerizing view. Sahibzada Sultan moving forward, हवाओं के दोष पर उड़ते हुए, सहराओं का सीना चाकते हुए. He is moving forward. This is the view. You can see the drone over the truck. And this is the turn. This is the turn. Such a beautiful control, such a beautiful turn. Sahibzada Sultan leading the team Sultan. He is moving forward toward the last point, and this is between the trees. Sahibzada Sultan leading the team Sultan, moving forward, leading the team Sultan once again. I would say he is moving forward toward the last point, and these are the flags that indicates the road, the track he would have to follow. With this, it could be a deciding round of the race. He has to come across very aggressively as he goes around to the side of the corner. Almost every racer has been the same amount of energy from their beginning. He actually got 87% there to the finishing point. साहिबजादा सुल्तान पाकिस्तान में ऑफ रोड रेसिंग की दुनिया के पायनियर्स में से हैं, जिन्होंने अपनी अनथक मेहनत से और कोशिश से इस स्पोर्ट्स में बड़ी जान डाली है, और अब बहुत सारे नौजवान लड़के और लड़कियां इस स्पोर्ट्स की जानिब राग़िब हो रहे हैं और इसको अपना रहे हैं. साहिबजादा सुल्तान लीडिंग द रेस very amazingly. Sometimes he become very impressive. This is to be a turning point of the race. Sahibzada Sultan is going to make a history. He is moving towards the line with a little bit of slide. Cuts the timing beam, and it is crisp for him. It will decide what placement he gets, 4th, 5th or the top one. Sahibzada Sultan now in the final stages of the race. He has the advantage pretty much from the rest of the racers from the start of the race, as he has done more practice on this track than others. But it is going to be a tight one as they come across the line. He is out in the final corner now, but the benchmark he has set would be difficult for other players of the game to fulfill. This is the final, this is the end of the game. This is Sahibzada Sultan. He has made a history. He subscribe the channel and see you in the next episode of the Tourisme Time. Bye for now.